Stars. Hello, people. Let me put some music. Yes. I put some music. EP. Today I am wearing Uganda. Uganda for life. SSD for life. Hello, guys. How are you doing? How is everyone? It has been a while. Long time no see. 18 beautiful souls in the house. And Baye, kid. You guys, we made 70K followers. 70. It's another word from the Bagochi, the genius. They call me a final man. I was little bit of promotion. Kenya. Kawi yoto chingi kwenye. Guys, check out this song. And Paye Kelane. And Paye. Facing life. Idena chanada kape. Kongwanaru. Okay, for those who've been wanting to support me, you wanted to send me something. I have this feature enabled. It calls the stars something. You can send stars and it will turn into money. So I wanna do the thing good. So I think someone said, where are you from? Where are you from? Hello, how are you? I'm doing good. And you? Majibu Wajaras. Ampaye kako. Ampaye kailane. Paye kaidenachan. Idenachanagaka pegal. Only if you want to. Batman come when I roll. Where are you from? South Sudan. Hi, my love. Hello. Hey, hello, night. It's a day. Road player. Hello, talk to me. Watching from Kenya. Greetings to Kenya, South Sudan, Uganda, any part of Africa. Goglebi. So if you wish to support me, you can send stars, that's all. Or you can subscribe to the channel. 50 beautiful souls, 57. Idena chana da kape. My crush. Really, Mike? Hello, beautiful. Hello, Deb. Hi, baby girl. Hello, Tasha. How are you doing? Binia Juba, Halatu Jamila. I am from Papua. Where is that? You really? Am I? We are Team Natural, guys. You already know. Thank you. What's up, cute? Hello, Sarah. How are you doing? I am so happy, you guys. It has been a while, eh? It has been a very long time since I've been live. I think longer than a month. Hello, enjoy. I'm doing good, Frank, and you? Boom dear. Hello, Martin. Is it your new song? I am okay, guys. I'm not a singer. I am a dancer. This is my artist song. South Sudan or UG. I am South Sudanese, but today I'm wearing Uganda. Who wants to send me South Sudan flag or a t-shirt? Hello, Faith. Hello. Asalo akuto. Anayasuto. Hi, Rosin, watching from. Where are you guys watching from? Dubai. Whoa. Tell me where you're watching from. 90 people. You are extremely beautiful. Love your skin. Thank you. I'm flattered. Enjoying. Thank you. So adorable. Thank you, Daniel. Where are you from currently? I am in Europe. Watching live in Mogadishu. Where have you been? I've been busy with work, but I'm here now. Yes, I've had one overnight. I am so... I don't know. What did you have? Where do you live? I love your dances. I live in the Netherlands, Europe. Come to Kenya then. I will come to Kenya. I will come back to Kenya one day. Watching from Sudan. Greetings to my home. Qatar, wow. Zimbabwe. Actually dancer. Yes, it's me. I can't speak this language. The red could go well with the white, with bright stars. Nobody's sending the stars. Guys, you can support me by sending stars. A lot of people have been asking, how can I support you? How can I give something? You can send me stars. Or you can subscribe to my channel, to my page. It also goes with amount, some amount. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, DK. I'm doing good. Looking good. Thank you, Boss Lee. Good to see you guys. I've missed you. I'm watching live from Kampala, Kla City, Juba City, from Palabeg, Uganda. I love Palabeg. So proud of you. Thank you so much, Daniel. Watching from Colorado, the US, Mombasa. I have a lot of Kenyan people watching from heaven. Look at this unserious guy. Good representation. Thank you. Given, I see you. I'm catching you live from Naka Songola. I have no idea where. I'm sorry. Watching from Kenya. Hola, hello. Nairobi. Kenya is taking over. Where is my Uganda people? Where are my Sudanese? Where are the rest of the world? So nobody decided to send me the star. Nobody sending any stars. You guys are funny. Mozambique, the big Mozambique. My lovely Rosalind, I kiss you sis. Who is that? I have no idea who you are. Where is Burkina even? Watching from the US. Wow. Aling Meramot. Pia Paruba. Guys, don't forget to check out this album, Facing Life EP. I will post the link again. Star. Not that star, not that one. Tap on this thing, help me reach 5,000 stars. Tap on that, and then it will show you how to do it. Sending love. Send me stars, not oh guys. David, I'm from 254. 254. Is that Sudan or Uganda? I'm confused. $254. I think Sudan. I'm a big fan in Nigeria. Hello, I'm so happy you're here. Sending love. Send me stars. Send me. Watching from Malaysia. Wow. Every wings of the world. Oh, it's Kenya, of course. So Kenya is 254. Uganda is 256, I think. And South Sudan 2 something. Sasha baby, long time no see. How are you? Are you in Uganda? No. I'm not in Uganda. Thank you, Pedro. Oh yeah, 211. That was it. I came to test you guys, eh? Who would actually send me stars? It seems nobody actually support, eh? You guys feel the test. Where are you from? SSD, no? But I'm confusing you guys with the t-shirt. Eh? Watching from Kenya. Greetings, 254. I'm gonna call you guys with codes now. Kenya is 254. SSD is 211. And Uganda is 256. Long time too, I'm fine. I'm happy you are fine. And a lot of problems. Someone is writing in Arabic. I don't know how to read that, sorry. Ethiopia 25. Oh, okay. What kind of star do you need? Does it not show how to do it? Wait, let me check the live. The kind of star that turns into money, yeah? Let me check it. Oh, it's not showing. It's not showing. That's why you guys are not sending. I thought it was showing. Then I have no idea how to do it. only the subscribe thing is the badge is showing. This one is also fine. The green thing, but the star is not showing. Like when I post a video, right, it will show you guys how to, the star is on the top, and then the likes, then the comments, and then the shares. The first one, the stars, is what I'm meaning, but it's showing in the screen, so I don't know why it's not. It's showing. Let me take a picture to show you guys. Look, this is the star. It's 0. Nobody sent any. You see? This is the live right now. You see the star? It's nothing. $211, let me send you a shout out on behalf of 1,000,000 folks in Sun City. Thank you for the shout out. Are you Luo of where? I think I've already said that I'm Sudanese. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Hi, live broadcasting from Qatar. Qatar, nice. Watching from SSD Juba. Juba City. Yes, not showing. Can you speak in Luo since you promote Luo music? My Luo is not good. You guys will laugh. Kenya. I am from the South Sudan country. That is nice. Anyone with a question, I can bring you live. Someone that wants to ask me anything. The bad thing is when I bring someone on, it will mess with my quality, yeah? To get from Nakuru. Okay. One more song, then we are done. One more song from the EP. My happiness is to be in your heart and have to have you with me. That one is possible. Like you can have me in your heart while watching the videos. That is fine. I am Emmanuel from South Sudan. My regards to my star. Guys, not that kind of star now. Send me a real... I don't know why this thing is acting like this. It's not showing. This is the last song. Linda Belong from Arua City. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Welcome. Anyways, if it's not showing, you can still go to my Reels, Facebook Reels. And then send me the stars there. What is this person saying? I hear while watching the videos. Yes, nah, that is also having me in your heart though. Won't you dance today? No. You guys have to listen to the song first and then send stars. Then I'll come. At least one star. Nobody? After the live, maybe. Keep up the good work. Vincent from Somalia. Hi. Thank you, Vincent. I love you. Ah, so sweet. Boy, hi. Anyways, you guys are doing good. That is nice. I came to check on you. Watching from Cairo, I like the t-shirt. Thank you very much. People in Uganda, I have a question for you. What is the meaning of FUFA? Why is it FUFA, not FIFA? For sure, Rosa. Thank you. Thanks for liking the song. Check it out on YouTube. Okay, Nanaba. Anangeo my baby. Kaitie camera. Okay, when the song is done, we can go off. No dancing. Streaming from Heart of Magui. Magui City. Nice. FUFA, Federation of Uganda Football Association. Oh. Is that what the FUFA stands for? Federation. No, it doesn't. It needs some money in account. Yes, that is the meaning of sending the stars. From Kinshasa. Or the Republic of Congo. Whoa, you are the first person from that country, Congo. Watching from Arabia. Whoa, you guys are everywhere. I know. What is your nationality? I am a Dutch person. My nationality is Dutch on passport. Today, no dancing, no. Watching from Juba, South Sudan, you are doing great job live. Thank you, Richard. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Much appreciate. Mombasa, hi. Watching from Kenya, but I'm a Kenyan. Hey, Kenya people, you guys are the best. I will send. When? Sasha baby. So it is showing. So the song is, the star is showing, but you guys are refusing, eh? Okay, I see you. Refusation. I'm from Sudan, but now I watch from Saudi Arabia. You guys really traveled far. Far. Last time, someone was in China. Some people are in America. I didn't see. Someone was from Canada, Somalia, a lot of Kenyans, a lot of Sudanese, a lot of Ugandans, Nigerian, Mozambique, Ghana, did I forget some? France, the Netherlands, Europe. Let me say Europe. Bonjour, Roslyn. Hello. Loving you. Ah. Okay, that's not the song I wanted. Anyways, thanks guys for, I was testing. I came to test the stars thing since it has been enabled for my account. I thought let me come and see how it goes with the live video. So I might come back when I figure out how it works because it's not showing to you guys. It shows in a video on Reels, but not on live apparently. Hi Rose, watching from South Korea. Wow, Korea, South Korea, you see? Maybe they are Japanese also. Nice. The star is not for Android, uncle, like you. Like, it is for everyone now. South Sudanese watching you live from Egypt. Wow. More countries are showing, eh? What do you feel once you are dancing? Amazing. I think everyone should start dancing. Whether it's traditional, whether it's break dancing, whether it's jazz, whether it's for having fun. You won't regret it. Watching you from Togo. Wow. I think I need to list every country down that has been live. I'm going through the comment again once I'm done, and then I'm going to list. I want to know, like, it's very interesting. Saludo. Doha. You see what I mean? Greetings to Doha. I pray that I finish my contract sale so that I can come in Sudan and be your hairdresser. You don't like my hair or what? I need to take it down. I'm just a bit lazy. And that is sweet, eh? You want to do my hair? It's showing, but thing need money. Yes, it does. That is the meaning of the star. It's like appreciating it. Some people has been asking, how can I appreciate you? How can I send something? This is the way. I came to show you guys this is the way now to support me. I've been dancing for free for so long. Now you can actually do something. I enjoyed the dance you made when you went to France. Oh, really? I'm so happy to hear that. Keep up. Oh, guys, by the way, I have an announcement. I might be going in April to a new destination. So stay tuned. I'm going to post something, yeah? I'm going to reveal it very soon once it's settled, okay? Roasting, I'm very happy to you, my friend. My first day to see you alive from Arabisca, Somalia. Mr. Nyoka. Wow, nice to meet you. Watching from India. Okay, I'm gonna start listing now. India is listed. Countries, names, life. India, I will do the rest later. No dancing today, watching you in US. USA. I like this. Live from 252. Which one be that again? Did we have that one? I don't know. Tell me the country, Odom. This is Naigaga. Judith from Uganda. Nice. I want you to teach my daughter the dance. My pleasure. I would love to. Sweet looking good. Thank you. Willie from Uganda. Hi, Willie. Come to US. Invite me so I can come and dance. Accept this joke from me. I can see other people asking you about your nationality. Tell them you are United Nations daughter, because many are watching from different nations. That is actually true. It's not a joke. Accept this joke. Okay, I am the daughter of Africa. I'm not gonna say the country anymore. I'm the daughter of Africa culture, okay? Cultural ambassador, Lawi Anyira, huh? The head of the girls. You are wow from Kenya. Thank you. Hello, hi. How did you learn how to dance like that? I really wish you teach my daughter, please. I've teach myself. Eventually, I actually started with a group of people when I was a bit younger. I started way back, but that was not serious. We were dancing, but we were also performing. But many have stopped, but I kept going by myself. So the more you dance, the better you get, right? So I just kept doing my own thing, and then I created this page 1 year ago, I think. 1 year ago, I created this. I started posting the videos there, and that's how you guys got here. So thanks. Good question. Very good question. Itieni Sisto Amaro Style Mamegi Full Chris Somalia. Ati Mabe Afo Matek. Please, pleasure to see you live watching from Qatar. Qatar, pleasure to see you too. Listed. More questions. I like this. No more questions, eh? I will invite you to the next Angola conference. Where? Which country? There's Angola conference in South Sudan. I don't know about Uganda. I know in Australia, the US. Which one are you talking about? The South Sudanese one? I will come anyways. If you book me, I will come. And we have a good time. Okay, where are you from? In Acholi land. Agola, Anyan Agola. Agola mani, Agola kapu. Someone is speaking a very different language. I can't even read it. I ask you if you are Christian. Oh, I didn't see that question. Do you guys know sometimes, not all of the comments will show. I don't know why. Some comments I will see after the live, and then it didn't show to the live video. So excuse me if I didn't answer your question. It mean that I didn't see, it didn't pop up to my screen, or it's going too fast. What's your nationality in Africa? I am an African. Someone told me I should say I am an African because we have a lot of people with different nationalities. So USA, of course. Wow. Wow. Bonjour. Comment vas-tu? Bien. I don't know if I answered that right. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Bala. You look so cute, young girl. I am not young. I might look young, but I am a woman. Okay, maybe not a whole woman, but you know. No more good questions, Central Africa Republic. Central, is that Congo? Answer me, please. Beautiful. What was your question again? My nationality? Where are you from in Acholi land? I said Angola, no, Pajok. Pajok, guys. Yes, tell them. Be proud of your nationality in Africa, lady. I am very proud. If I wasn't proud of where I came from, I wouldn't be here today. Trust me. How are you? I'm doing good. How about you? You really know how to dance. A lot of actually ladies cannot dance like that. Thanks so much. Keep up the good one. Thank you very much for the compliment. To dance bien. Merci from somewhere. Cairo, hi. Khartoum. Thank you. Can you teach me how to dance? Of course. This is a class. How to dance. I have a lot of videos teaching people. I think there is no more questions. Okay, may I thank you guys for staying with me, for the songs, not for the stars because I didn't receive any, which is fine because I only came to check. Yeah, I just want to appreciate all of you. By the way, we made 70K. Yeah? I think we have 70K followers now. Great job, everyone. Bravo to you, each one of you. How can I get like 2 of your videos? Go to my TikTok. All of my videos has my TikTok name on it. If you search for that name, you can go to my TikTok and download the videos. Only TikTok allowed people to download. Facebook doesn't allow people to download. You can just watch it and stay on Facebook. But once you follow me on TikTok, you can download all of my videos. I didn't restrict it. So it's just open for everyone to download. Whether it's teaching videos, whether it's just enjoyment, any kind. Which door in Acholi Pajok? That one doesn't matter though. We are all one. Huh? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You are low. Yes, ma'am. Hello, beautiful. You really know how to twist it. Nyanacholi ikom culture to international level. Come on, ba? Come on. You are amazing. I love your performance, specifically actually dancing, and sometimes I was left hanging, guessing, like the rest of you were actually offside Sudan or maybe Uganda. I believe you must be from the southern side of. Why do you think that? Yeah, I am anyways. I think there is some differences between the dancing of Ugandans and the South one. The way someone is dancing, you can tell whether they are Sudanese or Uganda. So, yeah, you guys can make the judgment. The comments are going way too fast. But I'm not on TikTok. Then you have to download from Facebook. You have to copy the link of the video you want and then go to Google search for how to download a video. You will get a website, and then with that link you can paste it on Google and then download the video from Facebook. That's the only way. Or you can download from YouTube. Okay, yes. Hello Rose. Hello Jenny. Welcome. How are you doing? I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you too, Sam. Love this. Thank you. Joel watching from Abia administrative area. I like what you did and I got you. Thank you so much, John. I appreciate you. Inatin gangi kome afo ematek. Watching live Southern Sudan. Name you use in TikTok. Label Rose. Go to my videos. You can see the name there, how to spell it. And then search on TikTok. Please can you teach my daughter how to dance the best? If your daughter follows me, she can see the way I'm dancing and then just learn from it. Because I am teaching people how to dance my way. Everyone dances differently. Yeah? So she can just pick something from it and then make it her own. That is the goal. Thank you, Annie. Thanks for the hearts. So, yeah, that was that. I agree, dear. Me want more video. More videos are coming, don't worry. Don't worry about it at all. I will spam you guys. Actually, superstar. Oh, you like? Why are you saying superstar, no? I'm not a superstar. Just doing something I love doing. But I'm doing good. I hope you are too. Watching from India to confess you are really gorgeous and great dancer, Johnny. Enjoy it online. Thank you. Keep enjoying. Hi. Hello. Where is Boss Mick? I have no idea. I am not his keeper. I don't know where someone is. How are you, my beautiful baby? You are so beautiful. Oh, thanks, Sonia. Hello, Rose. Hello, Abby. You see, hi there. Hey. You guys are coming now. I'm ending. Watching live from Palabek, Obale. Palabek, the place. Is it like really hot there? I want dance lessons. I'm in China, though, no matter. For that, I'm posting how to dance maybe a week ago on Facebook. How to do the zigzag. Anyways, all of my videos stays on the page. Okay, I'm really learning how to twist. There's a video special for twisting. If you want to learn how to do the zigzag, it's there. You just choose which one you want to learn. Or I have one video with everything, with all the style in one. So you can also watch that one and repeat. If you guys want a new one, I can do it. Are you married? And if not, Sajing? No, I am not married and I am not Sajing. I'm not Sajing. I'm not single, but I'm not married. Greetings from UK, our favorite superstar. Nice to see you. Really love you. This girl is not serious. Jennifer. Thanks for the love, by the way. I hope you're doing well. Where did the music go? The music has went. wants to help me take this hair out? I'm tired, but it's a lot of work. Good talk, Mrs. Good talk too. See you guys next time. Bye bye. I love your smile, and you deserve to be a mother of smiles. Mother of who? I don't get that one. I am an Angolian people. I like you a lot, Muslim. Angola? You mean Angola? Angolan. Could you please give us a trial? Just trying it such that we can enjoy. No, I'm not prepared. I will post a video after the live, but I'm not gonna dance live. Before leaving live videos, don't forget to give us once the lesson from Actually Dancing song. Very fashionable. Before we leave the live video, don't forget to give us. No live dancing today. Someone wants a fashion assistant. Tell them. Whose song is that? This is Bago G's song. You may know him. He's also from the place you are living, and it's also Angola. Man Bago G, Matenga. Rodepeya. Jaluego. No more questions, eh? Hey, time goes fast, eh? Also, almost an hour. Okay, Latin gang, no? Okay, guys, thanks. Alpha, thanks for tuning in. But I'm going. You are going to dance a little, right? Zigzag. You're also saying the style, which one I should do, eh? Pretty Maria, you are funny. Yes, no more questions. Just want to see you dance. I'll go and post video, right? You guys don't joke with me, eh? I will make a video and post it instead. So guys, beautiful. Thank you. Kenya is still the #1 top viewers for my life every time. Every time. The way I like you guys. You don't know. Y'all don't know. All of you, by the way, I like. Let me not start. You guys want dances? See these people. No, you refuse to send me stars. Now you want me to dance. How is it? How? Jenny, send me star first. I'm not feeling well, so I can't dance. Hi, Buxu. Mozambique, hello. You are going to post the video where? Here or on TikTok? Here now. Roslyn, meaning you can be married to a Kenyan. No, that's not what I mean. I said I am not married, but I am also not searching. That's what I said. Oh, Linda. Oi. Some little dances as you are winding up. Winding up. See these people, you guys. I want to see stars. Let me send the link of the stars, yeah? What about our country, Cairo? Views. All of you guys are amazing. Indira Jilto, Asalo Akuto, Anayasuto, Ginupe, Latini Ginupe. I can book you a flight to Kenya. You can only book me for dancing, not for anything else. Okay, I will send you guys the link again for the stars. Mia deck. You want to see a star? Yes. Not that star, the actual one. Where do you live? Do you know Arabic? No, I can just sing it. I don't know if this is the real stars link. One way to Kenya. No way. I'll come back. No one ways tickets. I don't accept one ways. Do you speak Luo language like that? One of Kenya? No, I don't speak that one. Love is life. Watching from me. You guys go and charge your cards for the stars. Ana yetina ye. Aling maramot. Okay guys, bye. I'm tired. Thank you for being live with me. Next time I will dance, yeah? That's a promise. To give you a star, do I need to subscribe? You can subscribe or you can just send stars. Is it not showing? You should be seeing like a star icon. The subscribing option is different. Like you can subscribe and also donate the amount you want, but stars is literally you can send like $1, $2 with the stars. It should show to your screen. Or you have to tap on that thing showing on the screen. It says top star senders. I have no idea how to do it. And then okay, let me see. It should show. Like, let me take a picture again. Do you see the where it says help me reach 5,000 stars? Once you click on that, it will show how to do it. Or you can do it through a video. When I post a video on Reels, you can also send stars. It's your boy, Bagoji, the genius. Confirm what I said so I can end the live. I saw it now. Okay. Thanks for confirmation. Okay then. Thanks guys once again. Bye bye.